What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? I guess we had a wonderful trading week, and I guess we're using the weekend to fuel ourselves and to prepare ourselves for the next trading week. This is boy Holland, and I'm back with another video. There's gonna be our trade. That's gonna be our weekly outlook. I'll be looking for potential market direction for the coming week. I'm not sure what date it will be, but I'll be looking for market direction for the coming week. Never mind the noises and the sounds that you guys told that it's weekend, my family around. I can't stop us from working. I can stop us from having fun. So without further ado, let's just have been and continue to do what trust the process. So looking at our outlook on the NAS, that's the last time we left price from the game. Our previous outlook, you can go check it out. We did say that the only thing we're looking for to either looking for price to come back for retest and continue moving to the upside, or if price goes back below, we need for the retest below and not to continue to the downside, right? So we did have price coming back below, coming back for retest and continuing to the downside and pulling back above and pulling back to the upside to end our week with price closing with this pin bar rejection, right? You can call it a hammer or a pin bar. It depends on what you call it. So all I can say is now my trade idea is that I'm looking to be bullish above highs and I'm looking to be bearish if only price pulls back below again and also continue to the downside. But either way, I'm just looking for price to look up to do it to get that intraday pullback and continue to the upside, or of it break off the highs and a retest and continue moving to the upside. And there will be 8 people, right? Looking at the second pair, gold. So gold, I won't say much. I did indicate also on gold that on our previous outlook that we're simply looking for price to get the pullback, to get price failing to break above and look to be bearish, or for price to get the breakout and retest and continue to the upside. So price printed out that all-time high on gold, people. You can go check it out, people. Any time frame that you want to use. Price took the previous highs out. In correlation, I would say price took our resistance out, right? Creating that new all-time high, right? So with price creating that new all-time high and pulling back below my resistance, right? That gave me a confirmation that price did take the highs out. Price did take the highs out, right? And price did what? Pull back to the downside, coming back for that intraday pullback and continuing to the downside. Looking at where price closed, this is our previous intraday resistance. You guys know it. I don't need to say much, right? Price did come back to that intraday pullback, to that intraday resistance, and kind of like reacted from it, right? In correlation to price respecting that resistance. So all I can say is it's that I'm simply continuing bullish above my previous resistance and I'm bearish below, right? Long as price trades above, then I'm still looking to be what? To be bullish. But if you get price trading below, then I'm looking to be bearish on gold. And that gonna be it, right, people? So looking at the other pair, that pair is just US German 30. So German 30, I also won't say much. I did say I'm simply continuing bullish above highs, right? Above my resistance, I'm bullish. Below my support, I'm bearish. But if price bounces off my support, then I'm bullish. If price bounces off my resistance, then I'm bearish, right? So you can tell that price did have that breakout again to end our week. So all I can say is I'm looking for that what? For that retest, right? I'm looking for that retest to continue moving to the upside. But if price pulls back deeper to the downside, then we look for that below, retest below, and look to be bearish. And that gonna be it, people. Keeping it simple, straight, legit, and sweet, right? The other P. US 30. So US 30, I don't have a trade idea. So I just don't see much on US 30, but you can tell price had a what? Had a bear channel. Price had a bear channel, right? And then we had a breakout to end our week. So all I can say is from this breakout and from the reaction of our what? Of our previous support, as long as price is still holding support, then I'm looking to be bullish. But if price breaks above our major resistance, then I'm looking to be more bullish, right? But if you get that breakout, then I'm bearish. But either way, I don't have a trade idea. USD CAD. So USD CAD, I also won't say much, right? We had this intraday resistance that price was bullish above and bearish below, right? And we had the support that price is respecting, right? So what I can say is from this bear move to the downside, I'm looking to be bullish above support and be bearish below, right? If price respects my support, then I'm looking to be bullish. But if price violates my support with a breakout, then I'll wait for the retest and look to be what? To be bearish on USD CAD. Tesla. Tesla also won't say much because you can tell the Tesla did open this have this gap and continue to the downside, breaking this previous zone and breaking below my major support, right? So all I can say is that because we're above this zone right there, right? I'm looking for that break and retest to continue to the upside, right? Above my zone to continue to the upside. If you get that break below, then I'm looking to be what? To be bearish on Tesla. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I don't have a trade idea, but all I can say is long as you're above my major resistance, then I'm looking to be bullish. But if you're below, then I'm looking to be what? To be bearish, and they're going to be it. Ethereum. Even on Ethereum, the only thing I can say is on Ethereum, we did indicate that we're looking to be bullish above my resistance and be bearish below, right? So with price creating this previous zone, you guys know it, this previous zone, last year's zone, right? That double top from last year, price kind of like broke above of it and came back below of it, coming back again to tap onto it and pushing to the downside. All I can say is all I'm looking for is if price comes back here and gives me sign of a fall to break, then I'm looking to be bearish. But if you get the breakout, I'll wait for retest and continue bullish. Like I say, I'm bullish above resistance and I'm bearish below, and that won't be it, people. That won't be it. Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I didn't have a trade idea, I think, on the previous one, but I can see that price did create the support and price is still below my major resistance, right? With an intraday sideways movement, right? So all I can say is, all I'll say is price is bullish above resistance and I'm bearish below support. I'm bearish below my support. I'm bullish above my resistance, or I'm bearish below support and I'm bullish above support. And I'm bearish below resistance and I'm bullish above support until I get a breakout, and that won't be it, right, people? Last but not least, we're having oil. So oil, oil kind of like oil kind of like violated. Oil kind of like took out the highs, it took out the lows, like it did, like gold did. Gold took out the highs, oil took out the lows, right? And like we did indicate that once price was above, bronze price is above the zone with a break of our channel, and then we continue bullish. But if price fails to break and trades below my channel, then I'm looking to be bearish. And we did fortunately get that. Thank you to those who took it. I respect you all and I'm grateful for you all and I love you all. So all I can say is now, price did break out of our channel, right? Taking the highs, taking the lows out of that support and pushing to the upside. The only thing that I'm looking for now is for price to push to the upside. Give me signs of a fail to break above of that zone, and I'll look to be bearish in correlation to what? To my tap on my support, to my tap on my zone, and the tap on my breakout or the diagonal resistance, and look to be bearish. But if you get that breakout, then we're breaking out of our what? Of our bullish channel, of our bear channel, or the diagonal resistance, and we're trading above our zone. But wait for it, just and look to continue to the upside. And they can be eight people. Like I say, people, I'm not looking for much. I'm not looking for less, people. Like I keep my trading simple on my outlooks and on my trade ideas and on my trade breakdowns. I'm just trying to show you all that how I look for trades, how I plan my trades, and how I take my trades. It does happen, it does not happen. Price does favor me, price doesn't favor me. It's just like me following my plans, sticking to my rules, and staying disciplined and patient and committed to everything that I do. I repeat, people. Thank you, people, for everything, for the subscribers, for the numbers, and everything. I'm grateful for your people, for whoever who have listened, who have watched with this video up and until now. I have something special for you, people. Just share a comment and tell me that you did watch the whole video, and I'll send you the link of my training, and I'll send you the link of my Zoom sessions, and we're gonna have a free Zoom session, free from me, people, free from me for you guys. And that's all complete it, people. Just to thank my subscribers and my viewers and my likers and everyone who's watching me and everyone who's doing shit that I'm doing and everyone who's with me. So I'm grateful for you, people. I love y'all. This is your boy Harlem. I'm signing out.